In this video, I'll walk you through how to delete contacts in the MailChimp application. If you find this guide useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support fuels our ability to bring you more great content. Deleting contacts in MailChimp is important to maintain a clean and relevant email list, improving engagement rates, and reducing costs associated with inactive or irrelevant subscribers. It also ensures compliance with data protection regulations by removing outdated or unwanted data. To manage your contacts in MailChimp effectively, start by logging into your account. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll find a menu. Click on Audience, which will take you to a section where all your contacts are listed. Click on All Contacts to view your entire contact list. When you see the list, you can choose to delete contacts either individually or all at once. If you prefer to delete contacts one by one, you can select each one manually. However, if you have a lot of contacts to remove, there's a faster way. Look for a checkbox next to the email address column at the top of the list. Clicking this checkbox will select all the contacts in the list at once, making it much quicker if you need to delete many contacts. Once you have selected the contacts you want to remove, go to the top of the page and find a vertical three-dot button. Click on this button to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, choose Delete Contacts. This action will open a new window with options on how you want to handle the selected contacts. In this window, you can choose between permanently deleting the contacts or archiving them. If you decide to archive, you'll need to pick a reason for doing so from a list of options. After checking the box, click on Continue to Delete. You will be taken to a confirmation screen where you need to confirm your choice. On this screen, check a final confirmation box and type Permanently Delete into the text area provided. This step is important to confirm that you really want to delete the contacts. Once you've completed these steps and clicked Permanently Delete, the selected contacts will be permanently removed from your list. This process helps you keep your MailChimp contact list clean and up to date by removing outdated or unwanted entries. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it both helpful and engaging. If you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tutorials. Also, check out mediamagnet.business for a wide array of tutorials and resources on diverse topics.